Okay. Hi, I'm Lynn Chastain, and I have been with the Wellness Program since July 2015. And I must say it's just been a wonderful experience. Number one, gaining a terrific family. I have a wonderful family. I wanted to share with you that this program really works. I've had two major surgeries, and being on this wellness program helped me endure the stress, the trauma, and maintain my weight. And I enjoy what I eat. I enjoy so much feeling good through all of this stress. And one of the best results of being here with the wellness program is that for 20 years I've been a pre-diabetic, and I've been on the level where I'm just right on the borderline being pre-diabetes and diabetic. So being on the program and then just having had the blood test, I'm no longer pre-diabetic. I am off the graph.
Wonderful.
And the other situations where I was high or on the borderline of not being healthy with a number of blood tests, I'm now normal.
Wow.
So I am so happy because I know this program works. And the best thing, it just makes me feel really good.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much, Dr. Matar and Rawa and the staff. I love you all.
Thank you.